Welcome to the top best. The best Agua Vivos is probably one of the most fascinating natural probiotic drinks you can make at home. These tiny, translucent grains, also known as water kefir grains, transform sugary water into a bubbly, tangy beverage packed with beneficial bacteria and yeasts. In this video, we'll dive deep into the world of Agua Vivos, exploring their origins, benefits, and how you can easily cultivate your own. Number 5. Fusion Teas Milk Kefir Grains and eBook. These kefir grains are guaranteed to arrive fresh and alive. They are perfect for creating delicious and healthy kefir at home. With these grains, you'll have plenty of kefir to share. It's a cost-effective way to enjoy the benefits of probiotics. Your purchase includes unlimited email support. Plus, you'll receive a 51-page ebook with step-by-step instructions and recipes to guide you. The kefir grains can be reused again and again. It's a much cheaper option than buying kefir from the store, saving you money in the long run. These grains are carefully cultivated to contain many strains of healthy bacteria. Every sip provides you with a well-balanced dose of probiotics. Remember, the grains are fresh and need to be revived upon arrival. This ensures you get the best results and the most delicious kefir. What we like. This product provides fresh, live grains, ensuring a potent culture for your homemade kefir. It also includes comprehensive tutorials and email support, making it easy to start your kefir journey. If you are a beginner or want extra support, you should consider this. What people say. The product works as described and the instructions are good. Every 2 to 3 days it's ready for filtering and refeeding. My grains have made a fresh batch of kefir every day since I received them a month ago. Number 4. Yemoos dried water kefir grains. These are authentic water kefir grains from Yemoos. They are dried and ready to use. You can start making your own refreshing probiotic drink right away. With just 1 dried tablespoon, you can make a batch of kefir. It only takes a day or 2 to ferment, so you'll have a fresh supply regularly. The grains are alive and will continue to grow as you feed them. They will multiply over time, giving you even more kefir. Don't worry, it's easy to care for these grains. The product comes with clear instructions on how to keep them healthy and happy. Enjoy a unique and refreshing probiotic drink. It's a healthy and delicious way to support your gut health. What we like. These grains are dried and authentic, ready to make a refreshing probiotic drink. It can produce 4 to 6 cups every 24 to 48 hours. If you are looking for a convenient option with easy instructions, you should consider this. What people say. The instructions are clear, and the process of rehydrating and fermenting the grains is remarkably simple. It does really well with pineapple juice, coconut water, and fresh fruits like cantaloupe and strawberries. By the second feeding, I had plump grains and almost drinkable kefir. By the third, everything was great. Number 3. Florida Sun Kefir Brewing Bags and Water Kefir Grains. Are you ready to create delicious water kefir? This kit has everything you need to get started. It includes brewing bags and original water kefir grains. The brewing bags make the process simple and mess-free. They are designed to perfectly hold the grains during fermentation. This ensures a clean and easy brewing experience. The kit comes with a 1/4 pound of original water kefir grains. These grains are sourced from Florida Sun Kefir. They are the key to making refreshing and probiotic-rich water kefir. With this kit, brewing water kefir is incredibly easy. Just follow the simple instructions, and you'll be enjoying your homemade beverage in no time. It's a fun and rewarding process. This kit is brought to you by Florida Sun Kefir. They are known for their high-quality grains and commitment to customer satisfaction. You can trust the quality of the product. What we like. This product includes brewing bags and a 1/4 pound of grains, making it easy to start brewing. It offers a convenient way to make your own probiotic beverage. If you are looking for a complete set, you should consider this. What people say. These grains grew and grew and grew. They have actually almost mysteriously grown 1 cup. Now on my 3rd batch and the grains have probably doubled. Number 2. Live Florida Sun Kefir Water Kefir Grains. This product provides you with live Florida Sun Kefir grains. It's a natural source of probiotics, perfect for your health. You can easily create your own probiotic beverage. The water kefir grains come from our daily colony cultivation. This ensures the freshness and quality of the grains. They are carefully cultivated for optimal probiotic benefits. This product includes 6 brewing bags, making the process simple. It's easy to make a quart of kefir water in a short time. You only need a few basic ingredients: sugar, spring water, and a touch of molasses. It's a simple process to get started. The instructions are easy to follow. It's a natural source of recurring probiotics. It contains up to 15 substrains of lactobacillus, with billions of probiotics. It has 5x more probiotics than dairy milk kefir. Included are laminated instruction cards and a comprehensive online PDF file. These resources provide numerous recipes, uses, and care instructions. They make it easy to get started. You can create your own custom-flavored probiotic beverage. The possibilities are endless, limited only by your imagination. It's a fun and healthy way to enjoy probiotics. What we like. This product offers a high concentration of probiotics and allows you to create custom-flavored beverages. It also comes with brewing bags for convenience. If you like experimenting with flavors, you should consider this. What people say. They work great. The grains doubled in size, so I made another batch and increased the ingredients accordingly but used less molasses. I am having a blast trying out different fruits for my second fermentation. Number 1. Milk kefir grains, DIY fermented probiotic drink. These fresh milk kefir grains are carefully nurtured to provide you with a potent culture. They are prepared in a controlled environment. This ensures you get the best culture for your homemade kefir. These live grains are a complex symbiotic culture of bacteria and yeasts. It's teeming with diverse microbial life. This is essential for producing authentic and boosting milk kefir. The kefir grains are prepared just before shipment. This ensures they are in their most active state. They are ready to culture your milk and produce delicious kefir. The packaging methods are designed to maintain the viability of the live grains. This minimizes stress during shipping. It ensures they arrive in the best possible condition. Each order includes access to a detailed digital guide. It offers step-by-step instructions and helpful tips. This will ensure your kefir making experience is easy and rewarding. The grains are cultivated using time-honored practices. A nurturing environment promotes the health and longevity of the cultures. This ensures a consistent and satisfying result. Whether you're new to fermented foods or a seasoned kefir maker, these grains are designed for you. They deliver consistent and satisfying results. Enjoy your homemade kefir. What we like. This product provides a thriving ecosystem of beneficial microorganisms. They are prepared fresh for optimal activity upon arrival. If you are looking for a potent culture and a detailed digital guide, you should consider this. What people say. It's perfect. Very carefully packaged and shipped. Now I am regularly making milk kefir at home, easy to make. Homemade kefir contains a higher number of cultures and probiotics than store-bought ones. This makes great tasting kefir. Not as tart as most. The grains have been growing so much that I have been freezing the biggest clumps and then freeze-dried them. Delivered really fast. A super great natural food product. It helps with my immunologic system and is an all-natural probiotic. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.